Hi, hello all. So recently I bought new laptop, and in my previous laptop I did have everything what a DevOps engineer needs, like AWS, CLI, Helm, Python, VS Code, Kubernetes. I was using Kind, so I also need uh, Docker desktop, you will say. So I have spent around 2 days, 2 whole days to configure this new to configure all the tools in my new system. Uh, I wanted to do it in a structured way this time. That's why I have taken time. But you don't have to. I have created this document. You can follow it, and it will be really simple for you. So what we have done? VS Code in Windows. We have VS Code, Docker Desktop, and WSL. And in WSL we have the Ubuntu system, Ubuntu OS, and in that we have all these tools. Uh, at the end, if you follow this document, at the end you will have something like, if I do exit from here, this is your Windows term PowerShell. If you type WSL, we have set default to Linux, and if you go and run this verify desktop workstation, you will see here we have everything, every tool that one DevOps engineer should need. If you are experienced or just starting DevOps, or switch your devices, then this is for you. All the tools, all the version verifications, what is currently running. Currently, one control plane is running of the Kubernetes. Then yeah, everything, whatever you need, is there. Quick learnings which I have learned in these 2 days is about WSL, why WSL and why not double boot system. Please learn difference on that. This is very interesting point. And in Docker, use of this Docker socket file. Please go through it. How our Docker engine is communicated with Ubuntu with the help of this Docker socket. There is a permission issue when we create the new user in Ubuntu. We need to add our user in a Docker group. Uh, Please go through this Docker socket. It is very insightful. Then this is basic command kind. This is very interesting how kind works. I've used it in my previous laptop also. So uh, you know we don't have multiple EC2s, so we use multiple Docker containers as a EC2 and play with them without as nodes. Okay. One more learning. I have installed Kind in two places, Windows also and Ubuntu also. But I need a shared configuration. Means if someday I do changes in from Windows to my Kubernetes cluster, then those configurations should reflect in my Ubuntu. So I have made one symlink between Windows config file and my Ubuntu config file, WSL config file. So this is one interesting part, one enhancement. You should do it. That is recommended. Terraform. Please, go through these steps. What exactly happening here? Not just run. How this authentication of the Terraform repository is happening, and we are adding this Terraform repository in our apt update command, so that every time we do run this command, if there is newer version of Terraform in Terraform repository, which will also be included at the time of that. Please see HashiCorp repository key, how we are authenticating it. Mm, 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 mm. That's it. Just follow this document, you will be okay. And if you have any doubts, please put in comment section. I will try to answer them. Or you have the chat GPT. I will be sharing these links in the description. You have this file and you have this script here to verify all the things. That's it for this video. Bye.